What if the smartest SUV you could buy in 2026 isn't the fastest one or the most luxurious one, but the one that simply refuses to die? Because while some SUVs are loaded with complicated electronics, fragile turbo systems, and repair bills waiting to happen, a few have built reputations so strong that owners keep driving them for 200,000, 300,000, even 500,000 miles. And that changes everything. Because the real flex isn't leasing a new luxury SUV every 3 years. The real flex is paying off your SUV once, then driving it for the next decade while everyone else keeps making car payments. In this video, we're counting down 11 SUVs that have earned reputations for durability, long-term reliability, low ownership stress, and the kind of mechanical toughness that keeps them on the road long after other vehicles disappear. Some are affordable family crossovers, some are old-school body-on-frame legends, and a few are luxury SUVs that quietly outlast vehicles twice as expensive. These are the SUVs people buy once and never want to sell. Let's get started.
2026 Hyundai Santa Fe.
A few years ago, putting a Hyundai on a Drive Forever list would have sounded crazy to a lot of people. Not anymore, because the modern Santa Fe has quietly become one of the smartest midsize SUV buys in America. And here's why that matters. Most people shopping for a family SUV want the same things: comfortable ride, good fuel economy, useful technology, decent space, and ownership costs that don't spiral out of control after 100,000 miles. That's exactly where the Santa Fe lands. The redesigned 2026 model continues Hyundai's push towards practical long-term ownership instead of just flashy showroom appeal. And while some competitors overload their SUVs with expensive complexity, Hyundai has spent years improving reliability, warranty support, and overall drivetrain consistency. Now, here's the interesting part. The Santa Fe isn't trying to be a hardcore off-roader or luxury statement vehicle. It's trying to survive everyday life: school runs, road trips, groceries, family hauling. And that matters more than people realize, because SUVs that live simple lives usually last much longer than vehicles constantly pushed to extremes. Add in Hyundai's massive warranty coverage, improving reliability reputation, and lower maintenance costs compared to many European rivals, and the Santa Fe becomes one of those SUVs that quietly saves owners thousands over time. It may not be the most exciting SUV here, but smart ownership rarely is.
2026 Subaru Forester.
The Subaru Forester has built one of the most loyal owner bases in the entire SUV market. And loyalty like that usually comes from one thing: trust. Forester owners trust these things to survive winter storms, mountain roads, camping trips, terrible weather, and years of abuse without becoming financial disasters. That's why you still see older Foresters everywhere. The formula has always been simple: practical size, standard all-wheel drive, good visibility, straightforward engineering, and predictable ownership costs. And the 2026 Forester continues that formula instead of reinventing itself into something risky. Now here's where Subaru really wins. The Forester doesn't pretend to be a luxury SUV. It doesn't chase massive horsepower numbers. It doesn't overload itself with unnecessary complexity. And sometimes simplicity is exactly what creates long-term durability. The naturally aspirated powertrain approach Subaru has used in many Forester trims tends to appeal to buyers who care more about longevity than speed. And because the Forester attracts practical owners instead of aggressive drivers, many examples stay in surprisingly good condition for years. This is one of those SUVs people keep forever because replacing it never feels necessary. And honestly, that's one of the biggest reliability compliments a vehicle can get.
2026 Acura MDX.
The Acura MDX is what happens when Honda reliability grows up and puts on a luxury suit. That's been the secret for years. While some luxury SUVs become terrifying repair nightmares once the warranty expires, the MDX has consistently offered something different: premium comfort without the same level of long-term ownership fear. And that balance matters, because luxury SUVs usually come with trade-offs: air suspension failures, expensive electronics, complicated turbo systems, and repair bills that can feel like mortgage payments. But Acura has traditionally stayed more conservative than many European luxury brands. That's a huge advantage for long-term ownership. Now, obviously, no modern luxury SUV is cheap to maintain forever. but compared to many rivals, the MDX tends to age much more gracefully. The naturally aspirated V6 reputation from previous generations helped build enormous trust among owners, and the newer models continue focusing on smooth drivability, comfort, and long-term usability, instead of chasing extreme performance numbers. And here's what makes the MDX especially smart. It gives buyers enough luxury to feel premium, without jumping into the deep end of ultra-expensive German SUV ownership. That's why so many people keep these things for years. The MDX isn't trying to dominate headlines. It's trying to make ownership easy. And that's exactly why it belongs on this list.
2026 Toyota Highlander.
The Highlander might be the definition of safe buy. Not exciting, not flashy, not dramatic, just relentlessly dependable. And honestly, that's exactly what most SUV buyers actually need. Toyota built the Highlander around one core idea: make family ownership painless. That means predictable reliability, strong resale value, solid fuel economy, and maintenance costs that don't punish owners later. And year after year, that formula keeps working. Now, here's the thing. The Highlander is one of those SUVs that mechanics rarely tell people to avoid. That alone says a lot. Because once a vehicle earns a reputation for consistently surviving high mileage with basic maintenance, buyers start trusting it almost automatically. And trust creates resale value. That's why older Highlanders still hold their value surprisingly well. The 2026 Highlander continues leaning into efficiency, practicality, and low-stress ownership instead of trying to become some aggressive performance SUV. And for families, that's exactly the right decision. This isn't the SUV people brag about online. It's the SUV people quietly keep for 15 years.
2026 Lexus GX.
The Lexus GX is one of the last SUVs that still feels genuinely overbuilt. And that's becoming rare, because most modern SUVs are designed primarily for efficiency and comfort. The GX still carries some old-school SUV DNA underneath all the luxury. That's why people love them. The body-on-frame platform, proven durability reputation, and Toyota engineering heritage have made previous GX generations famous for surviving extreme mileage. Some owners practically treat them like family heirlooms, and honestly, that's not an exaggeration. Now, the newer GX models have become more modern, more luxurious, and more advanced, but Lexus still understands something extremely important. People buy the GX because they trust it. That trust took decades to build, and Lexus knows ruining that reputation would be a disaster. Now, here's what makes the GX financially special. Unlike many luxury SUVs that collapse in value after a few years, the GX tends to hold value shockingly well. Why? Because buyers know these things last. That changes the entire ownership equation. A luxury SUV that survives long-term ownership is a completely different financial experience than one that becomes a repair nightmare after 80,000 miles. And that's exactly why the GX remains one of the smartest premium SUVs you can buy.
2026 Honda CR-V.
The Honda CR-V has become one of the most trusted vehicles on the road for one simple reason: consistency. Honda figured out decades ago that most people don't need drama from their SUV. They need reliability. And the CR-V has spent years building a reputation as one of the safest long-term ownership bets in the compact SUV market. Now, here's what makes the CR-V so impressive. It appeals to almost everybody: young families, retirees, commuters, college students, first-time buyers. And when a vehicle survives across that many different ownership types, it usually means the fundamentals are strong. The CR-V is practical without feeling cheap, efficient without feeling weak, comfortable without becoming complicated. That balance is incredibly difficult to maintain, and Honda has done it for years. Now, obviously, maintenance still matters, oil changes still matters, transmission servicing still matters, but owners consistently report long-term durability when these vehicles are cared for properly. And that's why the CR-V keeps showing up everywhere. Once people buy one, they usually understand the hype pretty quickly.
2026 Chevrolet Tahoe.
Now we're entering the big SUV territory, and the Tahoe has quietly become one of the most durable full-size SUVs in America. especially for buyers who actually need a large SUV instead of just wanting one for image. The Tahoe's reputation comes from something extremely important: proven truck-based engineering. Underneath the family-friendly interior and modern technology, the Tahoe still shares DNA with full-size GM trucks that have been used for heavy-duty work for years. That matters for longevity, because vehicles originally engineered to handle towing, hauling, and hard use often age better than softer crossover-based SUVs. And here's what's interesting. You'll find old Tahoes everywhere: airports, construction fleets, police departments, family road trips, towing setups. That kind of real-world usage builds trust fast. Now, modern Tahoes are definitely more complex than older ones, but the core formula still appeals to buyers who prioritize durability, space, and long-term usability. And unlike some oversized luxury SUVs, the Tahoe still feels built for actual work. That's a huge reason people keep them forever.
2026 Mazda CX-5.
The Mazda CX-5 might be the most underrated SUV on this list, because most people think reliability means boring. Mazda proved otherwise. The CX-5 built its reputation by combining strong reliability with something many dependable SUVs lack: actual driving enjoyment. And that creates a really interesting ownership experience. People don't just keep CX-5s because they're reliable. They keep them because they still enjoy driving them years later. That's a massive advantage. No, here's where Mazda deserves credit. While some automakers rushed into tiny turbocharged engines and overly complicated systems, Mazda spent years focusing on naturally aspirated engines, simpler engineering philosophies, and long-term durability. That conservative approach paid off. The CX-5 has developed a reputation for aging gracefully while still feeling more upscale than many direct competitors. It's one of those SUVs that feels more expensive than it actually is. And financially, that's a great place to be, because reliable vehicles that still feel premium years later usually create very loyal owners. And the CX-5 absolutely has that kind of following now.
2026 Toyota 4Runner.
The 4Runner doesn't care about trends. And honestly, that's why people love it. While the SUV market moved towards softer crossovers and car-like driving dynamics, the 4Runner stayed stubbornly old school for years. Body-on-frame construction, truck roots, off-road capability, mechanical simplicity. And that formula created one of the strongest durability reputations in the entire SUV world. People buy 4Runners expecting them to survive forever. That expectation alone says everything. Now, obviously, newer generations continue evolving with modern technology and efficiency improvements, but Toyota knows exactly what buyers want from a 4Runner. Durability first. That's the entire identity. And here's where the 4Runner becomes financially interesting. These things hold value unbelievably well. Seriously, some used 4Runners almost feel recession-proof. Why? Because buyers trust the platform. They trust the reliability history. They trust the resale value. They trust the long-term ownership experience. And trust is incredibly valuable in the automotive world.
2026 Lexus RX.
The Lexus RX has basically become the king of stress-free luxury SUV ownership, and that's not an accident. For years, Lexus built the RX around comfort, reliability, and refinement instead of chasing extreme performance. That strategy worked brilliantly. Because while some luxury SUVs become expensive science experiments after the warranty expires, the RX developed a reputation for simply working, quietly, smoothly, consistently, and people love that. Now, here's the part many buyers underestimate. The RX doesn't just save money through reliability, it also protects owners through resale value. That changes the entire ownership equation. A luxury SUV that still holds strong value years later can cost dramatically less overall than a cheaper SUV that depreciates aggressively and develops expensive problems. And Lexus understands this better than almost anyone. The RX may not dominate drag races or off-road trails, but as a long-term ownership machine, it's one of the smartest SUVs ever built.
2026 Toyota RAV4.
If there's one SUV that perfectly represents buy once, drive forever thinking, it's the Toyota RAV4. This thing has become almost untouchable in the reliability conversation. And honestly, Toyota earned that reputation the hard way.
years of dependable drivetrains, strong resale values, predictable ownership costs, fuel efficiency, massive parts availability, affordable maintenance. All of it adds up. The RAV4 succeeds because it solves real-world ownership better than almost anything else. And that's why they're everywhere. Families buy them, commuters buy them, retirees buy them, road trip drivers buy them. And once owners experience how low stress these SUVs can be, many never leave the brand. Now, here's what really separates the RAV4 from many competitors. Even after years of ownership, these things often still feel financially smart. That's rare. Most vehicles slowly become liabilities over time. The RAV4 often feels more like a long-term investment in stability. And in a world where new cars are becoming more complicated, more expensive, and sometimes less durable, that kind of reliability becomes incredibly valuable. Because the smartest SUV isn't always the most exciting one. Sometimes the smartest SUV is simply the one that keeps starting every morning for the next 15 years. And the Toyota RAV4 has built an empire on exactly that idea.